Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what the next arena season is going to be because we just found the trophies. So these were found by JJ_0E. I will leave his channel link down in the description. So yeah. So yesterday I found this armor set. It turns out that it is going to in fact be the armor set for the upcoming arena season. We have this, we have this, and we have this. So now we also have the trophies, which look like this. This is the bronze. It looks decent. Here is the silver. It looks decent. And here is the gold trophy. It looks pretty cool. So I do actually have a big problem with this arena season because it is going to be exactly like this season. There's only going to be one outfit it is looking like, and it's going to be not a very exciting season. There's been nothing else that has shown that there's going to be anything and no items in the arena season like in this season. There are nothing that you can get out of the chest that anybody would want, like a morph or a buddy. There's just not really anything. So I'm going to email Prodigy asking why the arena seasons are getting a little lazy. But yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did enjoy, and bye.